Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with part 8 of this series. Or is this part 9? Actually, I think this is part 9. LOL. Anyway, so on the last video I showed you guys that I was going to put down this tile here, and it was going to be the... oh, by the way, welcome back to my channel. And this is the tub to shower conversion. And okay, so in the last video I went ahead and cut and dry fit the tile up to that row right there, and put all the spacers in just to make sure that all the dimensions were good. And today I actually picked them all up, put them off, like this row first, so that would be the last one on the bottom, and then the last one on top is the first one I used. And as you can see, I made my cuts around the toilet flange. Everything came out good. And actually the radius cut, believe it or not, I used the 4-inch grinder with the masonry bit to do that. Yeah, I saw this other guy do a trick, and it's actually not that hard to do. Just takes a little practice, patience, and it'll come out good. So like I said, I went ahead and put it down. This is about half, I guess. Yeah, it's about half of the bathroom. And when you're installing these, doesn't matter if it's plank style tile or the 6-inch, 8-inch, 12-inch, whatever. You want to start there, that side, and then come finish at the door. This way here, you don't have to worry about having to walk on top of what you already put down. Because once you put them down, you got them spaced right and everything's good, lining up. As you can see, my joints are right in line with each other on all. Yeah, so that's the process. You want to start there to come here, and that's the reason why I lay down everything before. Dry fit, the first one row to get my distance, and then dry fit, cut and put down with spacers, to make sure that it comes out right. I'm a DIYer, handyman, not a professional. So, professionals, they do it all the time, man. They just rip, measure, cut, put the mud down, set it down. They don't even use spacers. Although, there's a lot of people recommend using the spacers, until you get really good at it. Then you can just eye it. But to me, that just make sure everything is just right dressed. All right, so this is the update to part 8 or 9. I don't remember. But so far it's coming out good. And this is what I got done today. And I'm going to go buy some more mortar so that I'll have enough to finish this. And then once, it sets for a good day, then I start pulling the spacers out. Like tomorrow, I'll pull those spacers and use them on this second half. And hopefully tomorrow, I'm only working half a day, so I should be able to get this finished down. And then come back with the grout and then do that. And also do the grout on the walls. And then finish off the little pieces here and there as well. All right, guys. Quick update. What I'm doing next, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so, and hit the bell button for notifications of new uploaded videos. Thanks, and catch you later. Bye.